If you've ever noticed that the Google Play Store application is refusing to update your apps and games, then in this video I'm going to offer a couple of suggestions that could possibly help resolve this issue for you. So earlier this week I noticed a thread in the Android subreddit talking about an application update bug with the Google Play Store. It seems some people are noticing that the Google Play application will no longer auto-update certain installed applications. And there's actually an odd reason why some of you are seeing this. If you've ever installed apps or games from a Google backup whenever you activate an Android device, then these apps are likely installed with auto update turned off. At least that's how things are set up right now, but be aware this could change in the future. So the first thing I recommend you do is go to the Play Store, and if you notice some of your applications are not updating automatically, go ahead and tap them. Go to the Google Play Store page for that app. Then tap the three-dot menu at the top right and make sure the Enable Auto Update option has a check mark in that box. So again, if you restore a backup from Google, apps that are installed in this way may have this Enable Auto Update feature turned off, and you'll want to enable this for each application you're having issues with. Although this seems to be the main reason why some people are noticing applications are no longer automatically updating, this doesn't always fix the issue for everybody. So again, if you're noticing applications are not updating automatically in the background, and you've already checked to make sure that the auto update toggle is, or checkbox is, enabled, then there are a couple of other things we can still do. So first we're going to want to go to the Google Play Store app page. And sometimes you can do that by long pressing on the Google Play Store button and tapping on App Info. Other times you need to go into the Settings application, find the Applications section, and then find the Google Play Store application in your list of installed apps. So from here, we're going to tap on the Storage and Cache option because we're going to want to clear both the application cache as well as the application data. Sometimes this is marked as storage, other times this is marked as app data. So we're going to go ahead and wipe both the cache as well as the data for the Google Play Store. And once that's done, go ahead and open the application back up and check to see if your applications are now able to automatically update. Sometimes this will fix the issue. I've seen a couple of people respond telling me that this is fixing the issue for them. But again, other times it's still not enough. So again, this has solved the issue for some people, but there are others who are saying that they are still experiencing this issue with being unable to automatically update apps and games in the background. So if you are still experiencing this issue, it may be due to an update to the Google Play Store application that you have installed. So if that's the case, we're going to go back to the App Info page for the Google Play Store. And instead of going into the storage area, we're going to tap the three-dot menu at the top right and then select Uninstall Updates. This is going to uninstall the Play Store updates you have installed. This is not going to uninstall the Play Store. It's going to uninstall the updates you have installed for the Google Play Store. Go ahead and tap on OK and then open up the Play Store again. So those are a few suggestions that I can offer to people who are stuck having to manually update your applications and games. Google has put a lot of work into making the Google Play Store application update apps in the background, similar to how Google wants OTA updates to be installed in the background without user intervention. Google also wants Android applications to stay automatically updated. So if you're having issues keeping your apps updated, hopefully this video helps you out.